7 skills every motion designer should have. Graphic design skills. One of the most important motion graphic skills to have is graphic design, and you should also be able to create and control the elements. Basic knowledge of traditional art. A basic knowledge of traditional art might assist you in quickly brainstorming various ideas. Animation. Motion graphic artists can bring 2D elements to life by making them move if they have a good understanding about animation. 3D design skills. 3D elements are the core of motion graphics since they make information more engaging and clear. Typography and color theory. Typography is an important aspect of motion graphics, and using the wrong fonts may make the work seem unprofessional. To capture the attention of the audience, you should be familiar with color theory, as well as its hues and color combination. Creativity and originality. Creativity is the most important skill of an artist. A motion artist's job is to make a graphic come to life and tell a story in a way that makes the audience feel interested. Technical skills. Because all motion graphics work is done on computers, you must have technical expertise and be able to adapt to current technologies.